Guys, welcome back. So I have been asked multiple times, when was I going to do another DIY? A lot of you comment or send emails or whatever, and I have not been doing DIY or Dollar Tree DIYs in a while because I don't know if my creative juices was just not flowing. I don't know what's going on, but I was sitting here the other day, and behind me on my shelf I have a stack of eyeshadow palettes, and I was like, I need a way to store my eyeshadow palettes. Like, I'm tired of them because some of them are behind or underneath, and I forget to pull that palette out and use it, so it's just, you know, going unnoticed. So I was trying to think of a way for me to put them out to where I can see which ones I have on a daily basis, and I'll be able to use more of my product going into the new year, because honey, I need to use these palettes. So I was thinking, what can I use from the Dollar Tree to create something that could showcase my eyeshadow palettes? And I am getting ready to show you guys what I came up with. Now, I like to give a disclaimer. I am a novice when it comes to DIY projects, and what I am about to try to make is trial and error, pretty much. So I know, you know, I just kind of like to do the skeleton of it, and then if you guys remake it or you want to make it at your home, you know, I'm sure you guys will bling it out and do all kind of stuff to it. But I'm just quickly going to make something that's in my mind so I can see if it's actually going to work. But of course I want to share it with you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started.